Term 3, Unit 4 Algebra. In this session, we are going to learn about Part 2, Exercise 4.2. So first one, say true or false. That you know, true means the statement should be correct, and if it's false means the statement is wrong. Right. So first one, 23 plus 4, that's equal to 4 plus 23. So from the question itself, you all can find out this, isn't it? Very easy, because it's an interchanging the number, that's it. So if we add 23 plus 4, we get 27. And in right side, 4 plus 23 also the same 27. So they have given equal to symbol only. So the answer is correct. So the statement is true. Fine. Then come to the second one. 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. So let us find the answer here. 13 is greater than 12. Yes. They have also given us a greater than symbol only. So the statement is very perfect. So answer is true. Third one, 9 plus 4 less than 12. See, just now only we have seen this 9 plus 4 is greater than 12, and that statement is also true. Here they have changed the symbol alone. So as usual, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. If less than 12 means the statement is wrong. Clear? Right? So answer is false. So it's easy, I think. You can find it yourself. See, here no need to do any operation, just see the question and find the answer. 121 greater than 121. Is it correct? No, isn't it? Because both sides we have the same number. Then how it comes greater than? So the statement is false. Fifth one, 142 less than 142. Here also the symbol is wrong. What should become? Equal to symbol, isn't it? But they have given less than symbol. So give that answer false. Sixth one, 112 is equal to 112. Here they have given correct equal to symbol. So the statement is true. So seventh sum, 6 into 5, that's equal to 32 minus 2. So let us do the calculation first. 6 5s are 30, and right side 32 minus 2. That's the answer also 30 only. So check the symbol, here also equal to. So both the answers are correct, isn't it? So the statement is true. Eighth one, 49 divided by 7 greater than 7. So we have to tally here, isn't it? Let us cancel here. 7 one time and 7 sevens are 49. So 7 divided by 1, 7 only. Right side as usual 7 only given. So both sides are equal, isn't it? But look at their symbol, they have given wrong, isn't it? Greater than one symbol only they have given. So the statement is false. Ninth one, 4 into 3, that's equal to 3 into 4. Yes, from the question itself, you all can write the answer. 4 3s are 12, and right side also 3 4s are also 12. That we know very well, isn't it? Fine. So both side is equal. Fine. So they have given also equality symbol only. Then the answer is true. 10th one, 21 plus 0 is equal to 21, and right side 21 only. So both sides tallied, and they have also given us a correct statement with correct equal to symbol. So answer is true. Second summa, fill in the blanks with the right symbol, less than, greater than, or equal to. So far we have checked true or false only, isn't it? But in the second sum, we are going to give the proper symbol. So let us do the calculation here. 54 divided by 9. Yes, we know that 9 6 are 54. Is it right or not? Yes. So left side 6 is the correct answer and right side 8 minus 3. Answer is 5. So which symbol should become 6 less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5? What should become? So which side is open? You just open the mouth. That means greater than symbol. Is it right now? Fine. So fix the symbol also in the proper box mark. Come to the second one. 6 plus 2 box and 4 into 2. So left side 6 plus 2 8 and right side 4 2s are 8. So both side equal only. So sure we have to mention the equal to symbol only. Right? Clear. So third one left side 10 into 2 20, right side 15 plus 20. So 35 is the correct answer here. For this, which symbol should be apt for this? Yes. If you have doubt, please just open the mouth. Which side have greater? Like this. So 20 or 35, which is greater? 35 only, isn't it? So just open the mouth and put the symbol. This symbol denotes less than. So 20 less than 35. Now third summa, fill in the blanks in the expression with the suitable number. So this sum is looking little bit hard, but if you listen carefully, it will be more interested. So just have a glance. First one, 1 into 9. So left side 1 9s are 9 we get, but right side we have to multiply with 1 with what number? That we don't know, isn't it? So we can get the help of that symbol. So what symbol is here? Is equal to symbol, isn't it? Equal to symbol. Okay. So listen here. 1 9s are 9. That's equal to, right side also should be 9. Why? Because we put the symbol is equal to, isn't it? Fine. So both sides should be tallied. Okay. Now if we multiply with 1, we must get 9. What will be the number? 9 only. 9 ones are 9. Now it's clear, I think. So both sides should be tallied. Okay. Now come to the second sum. Left side 6 3s are 18. Then put the symbol greater than symbol mark. So now listen carefully. Right side we have to multiply with 8. So that number should be multiplied with 8 and it must be lower than 18 because 18 is greater than right side number, isn't it? So it might be 18 விட கம்மியா அப்படின்னா 17 or 16 or 15 like that, right? But if we multiply with 8, we won't get the answer 17. But if we multiply with 2, 8 to the 16 is there, isn't it? So 2 will be the correct answer, ma. Hope you understand now. Okay, come to the third one. 36 divided by 6. What will be the answer? 36 is the square number. So 6 6 are 36. 6 is the correct answer. Here lesser than symbol is there. So sure we have to get the answer more than 6. More than 6 means it might be 7 or 8 like that. Fine. Now look at the question which was given to you. Box into 7, isn't it? If we multiply with 1, we get 7. So that's all. So 1 7s are 7. Clear? Fine. Now come to the fourth one. 0 plus 2. Mention the answer 2. Then greater than symbol mark. Here right side it should be less than 2. That means 1 or 0 something. Okay, fine. So but if we put 1, 7 ones are 7 is the answer. But if I put 0, 7 zeros are 0, then the question will be correct. Is it clear now? So if you observe carefully, it's very easy. Then come to the fifth one. 42 divided by 7. Yes, 7 6 are 42. So 6 is the answer, ma. That's equal to right side also 6. Here 4 plus what? We get 6. Good. 4 plus 2, isn't it? So be careful, and your memory power will be increased more. If you concentrate like this, sure it will be good. So just listen carefully and do the sum exactly. Sixth one, 6 minus box we don't know. So let us move to the right side. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3, isn't it? Fine. So mention the symbol less than. That means left side, the number should be below 3. That means 2 or 1 like that. So mention the answer. 6 minus what should become? Yes, if we minus with 4, we get 2. So 4 will be the answer, ma. So go through once or repeat one more time. Sure, it will be clear for you and it will be very easy.